morning one and all. How are you? I hope all are you fine. In this previous video we discussing divisibility rules. So in this video we discussing BODMAS rule. In this video we discussing BODMAS rule. So today topic is BODMAS rule. First of all, what is the use of BODMAS rule? BODMAS rule is a order. BODMAS rule is a order that is used to simplify the arithmetic expressions. Like 4 plus 6 minus 2 into 4 divided by 5. So BODMAS rule is an order that is used to simplify the arithmetic expressions involving more operators. More operators means plus, minus, into, divided by. So BODMAS rule is the order that is used to simplify the arithmetic expressions involving more operators in mathematics. So in this example, we don't know which order we have to solve. So BODMAS rule help us to solve this expression. BODMAS rule is help us to solve or simplify this expression. Rule B stands for brackets, O stands for order, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. So B stands for brackets. That is O stands for order. Order or power. 4 square, root 2, root 5 and so on. So B stands for brackets, O stands for order or power. And D stands for division. Symbol divided by, so example 4 divided by 2. And M stands for multiplication. Example 4 into 2. So in BODMAS rule, brackets, order, division, multiplication and addition. Example 4 plus 5. And last one is subtraction. 4 minus 3. So in BODMAS rule, B stands for brackets, O stands for order, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. So BODMAS rule help us to solve arithmetic expressions. Okay students, some examples. Recall that BODMAS brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. In this example, in this order, first of all we do multiplication. So 2 plus 3 5s are 15. After that addition, 2 plus 15, 17. In the second example, according to the BODMAS rule, so first we have to solve brackets. So 12 into 4 plus 12, 16. 4 plus 12, 16. Next, according to the BODMAS rule, after brackets of division, multiplication. So 12 16s are 192. In this third example, first of all we have to do division. So 9 divided by 9 minus 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 means 3 3s are 9 0. So quotient 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. After the subtraction, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. In fourth example, first of all solve brackets. 9 divided by 3, 2 plus 1, 3. After that we have to do division. 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay students, some more examples. So the first example, first of all we solve brackets. 2 into 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 minus 2. Next 2 9s are 18 minus 2. 18 minus 2, 16. In next example, first of all we do division. According to the BODMAS rule, first of all we do division. 10 divided by 5. 10 is divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. Quotient is 2. So 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2 into 5 plus 9. 2 5s are 10 plus 9, 19. In this next example, 7 plus 4 divided by 2. First of all, 4 divided by 2. 7 plus 4 divided by 2. So 2 2s are 4 0. So quotient 2, 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Then 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So this last example, 5 plus 5 divided by 5 minus 5. First of all we do division. 5 plus 5 divided by 5. 5 is divided by 5. 5 1s are 5. So quotient is 1. So quotient is 1. 5 divided by 5, 1 minus 5. After that addition, 5 plus 1, 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5, 1. Okay students, two more examples. In this example, first of all we solve brackets. 80 minus 15 divided by 7 minus 2, 5. So again we do division. 15 is divided by 5. 5 3s are 15. Quotient is 3. So 80 minus 50 divided by 5 is equal to 3. 80 minus 3, 77. And look at this example carefully. First of all we solve the brackets. In brackets, order is again follows. So 10 plus 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. 50 divided by 5 is equal to 3 into 4 minus 2 into 2. So 4 into 10 plus 15 divided by 5, 3 into 4 minus 2 into 2. According to the BODMAS rule, the order is after division we have to do multiplication. 10 plus 3 4s are 12 minus 2 2s are 4. 4 into addition. 10 plus 12, 22 minus 4. 4 into 22 minus 4, 18. So 4 18s are 18 into 4. 4 8s are 32, 4 1s are 4 plus 3, 7, 72.
So what is BODMAS rule? Where we are applying BODMAS rule? It is for the order of mathematical operations. If there are only two numbers and one operator like plus or minus, multiplication or division, we can easily do that. What if there are multiple operators in one problem? Like for example, 2 plus 3 into 5. So which operation we will do first? Addition or multiplication? So that we are seeing it in BODMAS rule. If we apply the BODMAS rule, then we will get the correct answer. Otherwise, there is a possibility that the answer can be wrong. So we will see what is BODMAS rule. BODMAS stands for B for brackets. It can be any type of bracket, square bracket, parenthesis, etc. And O stands for orders, like square, square roots, exponents, all coming in orders. That is the second priority. Third is division and multiplication. Both have same priority. So if division and multiplication both coming in one problem, then we need to apply the left to right rule. That is, as the operators are coming, we need to do. If there are multiplication and division coming together. So the fourth priority is addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction has same priority. So if only addition is there, we can perform addition, and only if subtraction is there, we can perform subtraction. In such cases, if there is addition and subtraction coming, then we need to apply the left to right rule. So we need to do from left to right. So now we will see some examples. The first problem is 2 plus 3 into 5. So here plus and multiply is there. So which one we will do first? So according to the BODMAS rule, multiplication has more priority than addition. You can see in BODMAS, BODMAS. So M comes before A, that is multiplication comes before addition. So multiplication has higher priority than addition. So we have to do the multiplication first. 3 into 5 is 15. Then addition. 15 plus 2 is 17. So the answer will be 17. So the next problem is 80 minus 15 divided by 7 minus 2 in brackets. So how we can do this problem? So which one we will do first? So according to the BODMAS rule, again B, bracket has higher priority. So we have to do the operation within the brackets, that is 7 minus 2. We have to do 7 minus 2 first. Then which one? So we have a minus and division. So division has more priority than subtraction. So we have to do division, then subtraction. So here the order of operation is first bracket, then division, then subtraction. So the answer is 77. Now we will see another example. 15 divided by 3 into 10. How we can do this? Here we have two operators, division and multiplication. So which one we will do first here? So according to BODMAS rule, division and multiplication has same priority. So we have to do as it comes. That is the left to right rule. First division is coming, so we can do division first, then multiply with 10. So 15 divided by 3 is 5, then 5 into 10. So now we will see this problem also. Here there is square also. So the question is 5 square plus 3 plus 2 in brackets into 10. After the bracket, it is considered as multiplication. You can write the problem like this also. 5 square plus 3 plus 2 into 10. So here which all operators are there? We have brackets, square is there, square comes in order, O. Then we have addition. So according to BODMAS, bracket should be done first, then order. Square comes in order. So we need to do square, then multiplication, then addition. So we will do the bracket first. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. So next is square. 5 square is 5 into 5, 25. Then 5 into multiplication, 5 into 10, 50, and finally addition. So 75 is the answer. So here there is one question for you. Can you try that? Did you get the answer? Now verify your answer with the BODMAS rule. So here I have explained the order of operation. this. If you have any doubt on this, test the board mass definition once again and try again. If you have any further questions, then you can comment down below. This is for general knowledge. In some countries they use PEMDAS instead of board mass. It is the same as board mass.
Okay students, do you understand the concept? I will send worksheets along with video. Please do the worksheets and please stay home, stay safe, wear mask. Have a nice day. Thank you.